Have you ever wondered what a crushing plant is and how you could make a business out of one? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving deep into the world of crushing plants. I'm Chris from Machinery Partner, and this is your ultimate guide on crushing your crushing plant setup. Let's kick things off by finding out what exactly a crushing plant is. Picture this: a row of powerful machines working together to break down large chunks of concrete, rock, or asphalt into smaller, valuable pieces that can be used on projects or even sold for profit. That's a crushing plant. Now, let's find out what machines make up a crushing plant. First up, we've got the excavator or loader. This machine scoops up hefty boulders of rock and concrete and feeds them into a crusher. There are two main types: jaw crushers and impact crushers. A jaw crusher, such as this Omega J1065T, is great for breaking down very large pieces of rock into smaller, more manageable sizes. And impactors, which work hard to pulverize your materials into smaller, uniform-sized pieces. After the large pieces have been crushed into smaller ones, they will then pass on to the next machine. This could either be a screener, which is used to separate materials, or a secondary crusher, which is used to break down your crushed material into even smaller pieces. A crucial component of any crushing plant is the screener. This handy machine sorts the crushed materials into stockpiles based on their size. This separated material is now ready to be used in various projects or sold for profit. Scalping screens like this ARC SC73 or a Barford SR 124 can process a variety of materials from demolition waste and rock to topsoil, making them very versatile. Screened material is also much more useful and valuable than the material that comes directly out of the crusher. When planning out your crushing plant, you should think about if you need the machinery to be mobile or stationary. Mobile plants are great for flexibility and quick relocation, while stationary plants offer stability and continuous operation. The choice ultimately depends on your business needs and project requirements. Have you ever wondered why successful construction and mining outfits invest in a full crushing plant? Some might think it's overkill, but there are compelling reasons for this decision that can significantly boost your operation's bottom line. First up, operational efficiency is the name of the game in this industry. A fully integrated crushing plant streamlines your process, reducing the need for extensive manual labor and making your production faster and more reliable. It's all about getting the most out of your resources. Now let's talk about value. When you add a screener into the mix, you're not just crushing rocks, you're crafting a product with a higher price tag. That screened material satisfies requirements for various applications and, most importantly, can meet strict Department of Transportation standards. Having your own plant means having better control over production and material quality standards. With this setup, operators can ensure that all produced materials are on spec and up to par with customer or regulatory demands. What's more, we're looking at consistent, high-quality output. Full crushing plants provide a uniform result that's hard to match with smaller setups or a crusher alone. And for any large-scale project, that consistency becomes absolutely crucial. And let's not forget the cost factor. Yes, the initial investment might seem steep, but consider the significant cost savings over time. By maximizing efficiency and reducing waste, a crushing plant will pay for itself in the long run. There you have it, folks. Setting up a full crushing plant isn't just for show. It's a strategic move that sharpens your competitive edge, scales up production to industrial levels, and readies your operation for a future where demand for high-quality material is ever growing. Think your operation could benefit from a crushing plant? Still got questions? Let us know in the comments below or call us to talk to an expert. And if you found this information useful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more industry insights. Until next time, keep crushing it.